Hello students, today I am going to explain you the topic seasons. The earth rotates on its axis in the same direction while revolving around the sun on its orbit. Due to this, the north poles faces the sun at regular intervals. The rays of the sun fall vertically either on north or south of the equator. This causes variation in the length of days and nights. Those parts of the earth which receive more sunlight experience summer, while those that receive less sunlight experience winter. The northern hemisphere experience summer in the period between 21st March to 21st September, while it is winter in the southern hemisphere during that period. The change of season is a phenomenon that directly affect human life. Children, you can see diagram on page number 11, revolution of the earth. Now children, list of some festivals and the seasons of their celebration is given below. When we celebrate a particular festival here, name the season experience at that same time in different countries. Now, festival and seasons in India. Holi, it comes in summer. At that time, season Kenya will have summer and Australia will have winter. Now, second, Diwali we celebrate in winter in India, whereas Japan will have winter and Canada will have winter. Then in India, Christmas we celebrate in the in the season of winter. USA will have winter and China will also have winter. Children, now look at the picture on page 11. The sun at midnight in Norway. This photographs has been taken at different times of the day. In the European nation of Norway, the sun does not set from mid-May to the end of July. This means that sunrises and sunset are simultaneous. So, the sun is seen even at midnight. Children, I hope you have understood the lesson. Thank you.